wizard.
Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're gonna have a great day today. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. We lost 3 dice dealers last weekend, so my schedule has been all sorts of messed up. I no longer have the same days off. I apologize, I haven't been around all week, but man, we've had good price action. But pretty much the TA was the same since my last video. We did come up and get that monthly leapfrog. Right now on the 10-minute we're coming up, but I've been having to take my kid to school. It's her first year of pre-K. Been taking her in the morning and trying to adjust to this new schedule. I got what is it, Tuesdays and Wednesdays I think, but I gotta work another 6 weeks this week. I just got done working 6 weeks, so I just been burnt out and haven't been able to bring a video out in the morning. I just take her to school and I come home and I pass out and do it all over again. But man, I've missed out on some good price action. I haven't traded all week. We've come up, we've hit our daily VWAP. I think the last TA I honestly did was on in the comment section of Flopping Groper's last video, his last live stream. There was that beautiful curve forming on the daily. It did, the money flow had just come out, and I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if it was going to continue to curve. We can see that money flow curving up on the upside now, but we see the curve to the downside on this VWAP after we've come up and hit that monthly leapfrog there. But there was that beautiful curve forming on this daily, and sure enough, we got that little curve and boop, right up. I also said I think we hit this monthly VWAP this week, and sure enough we have. But I'm pretty sure that's the last TA I actually did, and that was Sunday night I believe, and it's just been hell since. For at work anyway, not really. Looks like it's been pretty smooth selling on these charts. So on the 1 hour, let's go back to the 10-minute actually, because that VWAP started to curve up. This money flow is curving up. I'll bring you a couple of key levels this morning before I have to take my daughter to school. Right now, money flow is coming up with that VWAP. They are both shooting up. Right now, we're going to have to get back above our daily VWAP, which is right there with our monthly at 114.2. Leave a little meat on the bones there. And if we're going to continue higher, we're going to reclaim this as support. I would look at this quarterly 3 VWAP right there at 115K. If we can reclaim 115K, I'm sure we got some fibs somewhere. Let's see about it. There it is. Let's see if we got some Fibonacci's above these VWAPs. Sure enough. So if we can get above the quarter 3 VWAP here at 115K, and we can start moving into the Fibonacci zone to go higher. We've already, looking at the daily, we've made higher highs here on the daily. We are starting to make some higher highs here on the daily, so we might be able to climb into this Fibonacci zone here if we're able to break this quarter 3 VWAP. We start pumping past 115. I would look at 116, that's 115,890, 115,900 as rejection. So if you are long, if you get in a long and you ride it all the way up there, I'd be looking for that as a rejection there. To the downside, if we're not going to hold this daily, if we come up here and we see VWAP just starts to curve off, it looks good though. I mean, it could change in an instant, but if we're going to reject off this daily and monthly, this previous month, and not get above it and hold it as support to perhaps take us up to this quarter 3 VWAP at 115, I'd look for our previous day at 113.5 if we just start crashing down. Looks like we found a nice little bottom though. We could see some bull divs form off of this, which would call for lower prices, but it looks good so far. We are a nice candle. VWAP looks great. The 15-minute money flow is also climbing. It's going to be important to get above this previous day or previous month and daily right now until we can see candles open above them. Like we tagged it as support right here. We saw a little bounce up, but then we lost it as support, and we're working as resistance, right now. Run over to the 30-minute. Looks like we're trying to get a green dot here on the 30-minute. 1 hour VWAP's curving up. Money flow is shooting down though. And I want to say the 4 hour was printing a red dot. Hour and a half. Go back to the daily. We covered that in the beginning. We can see the curve starting to happen, but we're well above the 0 line, and we can see it ebb and flow before getting the red dot. Keep this momentum wave going. Getting close to the weekly. Looks like this weekly is gonna keep coming up, trying to cross over this zero line, maybe even give us a green dot here. But these are just a couple of levels I'm watching. I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you all. All praise be to Jesus. Now I'm out.